So in this video, we will discuss several types of auxiliary verb and some examples. So let's dive into the video. So at first, we will discuss what is auxiliary verb. In our previous video, we discussed what is auxiliary verb. So auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. They help the main verb expresses tense, mode, or voice. So here's some example of auxiliary verb. Is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, can, may, must. So these are several examples of auxiliary verb. Now we will try to understand several types of auxiliary verbs. So there are two main types of auxiliary verbs, and they are primary auxiliary verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. In this video, we will discuss in-depth knowledge about these auxiliary verbs. The first one is be verbs, and it's a primary auxiliary verb. Okay, so the forms of be verb are am, is, are, was, were, being, and been. So these are actually known as the be verb. Here are some sentences made on be verb. So the first one is I am reading, she is playing, they are sleeping. So am, is, were, these are the be verbs used in the sentence. So the next one is have verbs. So this is also included in the primary auxiliary verbs. So here is the forms of have verb, that is have, has, had. And examples, I have eaten, she has gone, they had arrived. Have, has, had, these are the examples of have verbs. The next one is do verbs. It also included in the primary auxiliary verbs. The forms of do verb is do, does, did. The examples are I do not like it. He does his homework. Did you call him? So these are the sentences made using the do verbs. And now we are going to learn the modal verbs. So here are some modal auxiliaries, that is can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to. Some examples made on the modal verbs, that is I can swim, he should study, you must obey rules. So some sentences are using auxiliary verbs, that is I am eating lunch, she is going to school, we are working hard, he was sleeping, they were dancing, I have finished my work, she has called you, they had gone home. So these are the example of sentences using auxiliary verbs. So in our next video, we will discuss about the right forms of verb in depth knowledge. So if you are a new one in this series, make sure you have watched our previous two videos.